Let us see what are the keyboard shortcuts for specific operations in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you want to know like what are the different keyboard shortcuts, go to edit and then click on keyboard shortcuts, or you can also use this shortcut key Ctrl Alt K and this window opens. Now here it is showing all the shortcuts that are available for you to use. For example, if you press V, it is gonna select the selection tool, okay? But if you are in a specific panel, for example, there is a capture panel and the legacy title panel as well. So if you are in those panels, then this particular shortcut key is gonna behave differently. As you can see, it is saying that if you are in the application, Adobe Premiere application, selection tool will be selected if you press V. But if you are in the capture panel, it is saying that it will select the record video option, okay? And in the legacy title panel, it is gonna select again the selection tool. That is the meaning of this particular green mark. So you can see that there are some shortcut keys where only purple color is being shown, while on the some keys it is showing this green color as well. Whenever there is this purple color, there is no ambiguity at all. If you press, say for example H, it is gonna select the hand tool. That's it. Doesn't matter whether you are in any other panel or window, it doesn't matter. So if you press H, and it is gonna select the hand tool for you. But as I said earlier, like if you select V, it is gonna select the selection tool, but not necessarily. If you are in the capture panel, it is gonna select this record video option, okay? That is the meaning of these colors, like purple color and green colors. And in this particular commands drop down, you can select the shortcut keys for the specific panel as well. Say for example, I'm interested in finding out the shortcuts for the effect controls panel, so select this one, and then it is gonna show you these shortcut keys for that particular panel. That's it. That's how you can find out different keyboard shortcuts for the Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.